Hi, Darren Gebbert here with 345 Auction. How are you? Coming up on Friday the 22nd of September, we are going to feature an auction from the Erjavec Estate. And Mr. Erjavec was an avid outdoorsman. Hunting, fishing, you name it, he did it. And we have supplies for reloading rifles, pistols, as well as shotguns. You can see a shotgun reloader right here. What is interesting about, at least what I think is interesting in this particular section of the hunting and fishing is this right here. It's a book called Dickerson, the Man and His Rods, written by Dr. Gerald S. Stein and James W. Schaff. It's a hardback, and what I think makes this special is that it is signed by both the authors, and it is a limited edition, 500. This is number 336 out of a limited edition of 500 copies signed by both authors. That is going to be coming up for auction. You can go to 345auction.com to sign up. I will have links to all of this down below in the video description. Once you have signed up for the auction, you can bid. You will also be able to bid in any further auction with 345 Auction. So good luck.